YouTube Analytics. Now, YouTube Analytics, it says here, is your channel's pulse. Helps uncover key channel insights based on real viewer data and the content they engage with most. It's important to remember it's never too early and never too late to start looking at your analytics. YouTube Analytics is for everyone. It should be used regardless whether you're just starting out or you're a real expert at making movies. You can use YouTube Analytics not only on your newest videos, but also to analyze performance data from your older videos, and that can help with your future content programming and audience development strategies. So, how do I build a large and loyal audience? Well, the first thing is know who your viewers are. Understanding your repeat viewers enables you to more confidently create content they'll love and come back for time and time again. So, does the current age, gender and location of your viewers match up with your ideal target audience? If not, you may consider recrafting your content and promotion strategies to help and attract the audiences that you want most. And we cover this in one of the videos. You need to know where viewers are finding your videos. Here's some samples here, and we'll look at some real life samples in a moment. But understand which traffic sources and playback locations drive the most views to your content, and look at the watch time of each source. Sources that give a disproportionately high amount of watch time indicate an engaged audience, and that should influence your blog outreach and your social media strategy. I say we'll look at real life figures in a moment. Knowing what makes viewers come and go. Now, understanding how audiences interact with your content can help uncover quite invaluable patterns, and they empower you to create even more engaging content. Videos with low audience retention rates are far less likely to be seen in search and suggested placements on YouTube, so you must create a viewing experience that causes audience to watch as much of your video as possible. Do you know why audiences watch certain videos to the end while abandoning others in the first few seconds? You also need to know how many videos each viewer consumes. Great word. Understanding what causes viewers to enjoy multiple videos on a visit can help you work smarter and not harder. That's because engaging existing audiences is much easier than attracting entirely new ones, so it's important to extend the viewing session for those viewers that you have got. Do you know which day viewers are most likely to visit your channel? Which videos they enjoy watching most? Looking at audience engagement, you need to know why your viewers subscribe. Understanding what causes people to subscribe can help you convert more casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Do you know which videos are causing people to subscribe? Is your programming strategy geared towards those subscribers? By watching more of this part of the course, you'll be able to answer that. Often missed out, but you need to know how effective your annotations are. We cover annotations in depth for a very good reason. They work and they bring more views, more subscribers, more income. Annotations are a powerful way to engage viewers and direct them to continue watching more of your videos. Viewers have lots of videos to choose from on YouTube. Adding and optimizing annotations on your videos, therefore, can help keep your viewers longer and convert them into long-term subscribers. How do fans interact with your videos? Understanding which videos your audience interacts with can help you craft more successful content and promotional strategies. You can examine the likes, dislikes, comments and sharing on standout videos to understand what type of content is best for your audience. Which do they like best?